Hey, good morning, family. So, out on that walk again today. This is Reginald Martin of Centered Living, where ancient wisdom becomes modern awakening. So, I wasn't sure I was going to even talk about this topic, but I was thinking about it, and then I saw my cardinal fly across. So, that was my cue. So, Reginald, you're on the right track. Do that. so I'm talking about this now. I just reached 100,000 subscribers, and man, I'm just celebrating that because family. Let's see. I had told you that I had went through some really dark times, and just struggling with really my YouTube channel, just things that was happening or that I thought was happening, and I had really got into a really negative space about it. Okay, and so it really made me like leave, just really doing YouTube videos. And then once I finally hit bottom psychologically and moved beyond the dark stage, I started to find light and focusing on just doing something that I love, okay, which is, is really teaching this knowledge and, expressing and explaining things, and just giving perspective on it. And so I started back to doing videos on YouTube, and I started doing these walk and talk videos, and well, actually it started before that, but family, I was at, I think, 87,000 subscribers, and now in what, 6 weeks, I've reached 100,000 subscribers. Okay, and I am so elated because for me it confirms, that thoughts become things, because I set that as a goal, that I wanted to reach 100,000 subscribers, and it's a vanity metric, but for me it was just confirmation that my thoughts do become things. Okay, that I create my reality. So first off, thank you for everybody that has subscribed to Centered Living. I am so appreciative of it, and I'm so honored that you would even want to ride with me. Okay, so thank you very much. That is like an amazing thing for me to have that happen. But it took a shift in mindset for me to do it. Okay, and this is what I'm saying about this, family, is how this relates to you, is that yes, your thoughts do become things, and I am a prime example where my thinking took me in a negative direction, and once I chose to shift it, it took me in a positive direction. Okay, so man, I am so elated about this, and where it's taking me. So just an amazing thing. Good morning. And but it's really, wow. Again, thank you. So thank you guys for that, and just really reaching that goal. So what did I do? So the science behind it. When I was at my low point, family, I could not stop the negative thoughts. And this is what you got to grasp, is that wherever you are in your journey, one of my favorite symbols is the yin and yang symbol. Well, you have the swirl, and then you have a black dot in the white part and a white dot in the black part. Okay, family, that is symbolic gold. Okay, because what that symbol is saying is that no matter where you are, if you are in a stage of light, then you have a pathway to the dark. Okay, So you might be feeling good, happy, but there's always that pathway to the dark. And the other part of that is if you are in the dark, there is always a pathway to the light, okay? So the thing is I was in the dark. I had to choose to change my thinking to accomplish something that I wanted. But it wasn't just me trying to think positive. I just did something because I wanted to feel good. I was depressed. I was down, okay? So where I was, I just wanted a day where I could just do something that made me feel good. And what I ended up doing was just researching, family. And I love doing research. I love discovering stuff, you know? And then just a natural progression for me is if I discover something, family, I want to share it with you, you know? To say, hey man, I know this is what I found. This might be something helpful for you. So that's essentially what brought me out of the darkness, family, is that just in order to feel good, and this comes down to the idea of the I am, you know, who are you? What are you at your essence? And the I am is about who you are being, okay? Not what you're thinking necessarily, but who you're being. And in that dark time, just to be joyful, if it was only for just a few moments, family, just to find a little light for a few moments, I started researching. And one thing led to another. And research, then I wrote down the research, just documented what I had found. And then I came up with an idea of how to present the research, okay? Present what I found. The next progression was, okay, well, you researched, you found this, you got this knowledge, share it, Well, how am I going to share it? Well, Reg, do a video, And so what was fun was putting together the video to put it in a way that I knew that could help you understand what I was trying to present and what I was trying to explain. And for me, it's never about just information. I want to do something and help you with transformation, okay? It's not just spitting knowledge. It's how can I help you become the best you can be, And that's so, anytime I'm putting together information, that's my thought process. This is the knowledge, but how can it help with transformation, okay? So that automatically focuses me on something that is positive, upbeat, and uplifting, So that's what I did, and one thing led to another. And family, I don't even think, I'm just thinking back now, I'm just going back in my mind to think about my thought process. But I don't even know why I even did one of the walk and talk videos, because a lot of times I guess it's just something might inspire me. Somebody might say a comment or something that might inspire me to say something, So that's why I always appreciate you guys' comments, because guys, y'all inspire me too, and I so appreciate you. And but I can't even remember what it was, but I just started talking. And because I walk every day, it's easy for me to do this while I'm walking, And I'm doing two things that I enjoy. I can walk and I can teach, Oh, man, you can't get it no better than that, So that's just, it's amazing, family. And like I said, I set that goal, and to actually have it happen, to manifest, damn, it's an amazing thing. So I know this stuff works. You can't tell me that this stuff don't work. I'm sorry, I'm one of those people that I don't just tell you. This is stuff that I live, family. So again, family, thank you so much again for trusting in me and honoring me with your presence on my channel. I really appreciate it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to continue on my walk. Y'all have an amazing day, okay?